Hello everyone, in this video self-assessment term 1 model paper 2025-26 class ninth subject physical science question paper with the key discuss. This key paper download to the telegram group link on the description. Follow the link, like and share and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the paper with the solution. Multiple choice question. Each question has 4 options. Out of one option is the correct answer. Question number first. What does the odometer of a vehicle measure? The instantaneous speed, the total distance travel, the rate of acceleration, the fuel tank status. What is the answer? What is the correct answer? Option B, the total distance travel. The speedometer measures speed while the odometer measures the distance covered. Option B is the correct answer of the question number 1. Question number 2. Which of the following particles have highest energy? Particle of ice at 0 degree Celsius, particle of water 0 degree Celsius, particle of water at 100 degrees Celsius, particle of water vapor at 100 degrees Celsius. What is the answer? Particle of water vapor at 100 degrees Celsius is the correct answer of the question number 2. Question number 3. What does the area of the shaded region below the velocity time graph represent? Option: displacement, acceleration, speed, time. What is the answer? Option A, displacement. Question number 4. Rani observed different changes of state in her daily life. In which of following situation does the change of state involve absorption of heat energy? P. Water boils in a kettle to form steam. Q. Water in the freezer turns into ice cubes. R. Steam from hot tea condenses on the lid of the cup. S. An ice cube kept in a plate melt into water. Option A, P only. Option B, P and Q only. Option C, P and S only. Option D, P, Q, R. Option C, P and S only is the correct answer. Question number 5. Question number 5. Why is the pillar designated wide at the bottom? Which option is the correct answer? To reduce the pressure on the ground by increasing area of contrast. Option B is a correct answer of the question. Question number 6. A tightly closed container contains 300 ml of gas. Now the gas carefully transferred into a 1000 ml container without any leakage. What is the volume of the gas in new container? Option A, 300 ml. Option B, 600 ml. Option C, 1000. Option D, 2000. What is the correct answer? Correct answer option C, 1000 ml is the correct answer. Question number 7. Ram velocity time graph. Ram draw a velocity time graph in situation involved. In which situation he? What is the answer? Answer is option B, applied a brake. Applied on his brake and comes to rest. Question number 8. When carpet is beaten with an stick, dust will come out. What does this happen? Due to the inertia of stick, due to conservation of momentum, due to inertia of carpet, due to the inertia of dust on the carpet. What is the answer? Answer option D is a right answer. Question number 9. Weight of a person on earth is 60 kg. What is the moon is? 5 kg, 10 kg, 30 kg, 60 kg. What is the answer? Answer is 10 kg. 10 kg is the right answer. The solvent in a tincture of iodine solution is alcohol, water, iodine, petrol. What is the answer? Option A, alcohol is the correct answer of the question number 10. Answer the following in your answer booklet. Why do wet cloth dry faster when they are spread out than when they are folded? Question number 12. A bridge in weak and can hollow only limited pressure on its surface. Two lorries, both carrying in the same total weight including load, are about to cross the bridge. Lorry A has narrow tire, lorry B has broad tire. Which lorry will safely move over the bridge? Why? A bus starting from rest moves with a uniform acceleration of 0.2 meter per second square for 5 minutes. Find the speed acquired by the bus after 5 minutes. Now the next question, write any four properties of collide. This is the distance time graph of three cars named P, Q, R. Study the graph. Answer the following question. Which car travel with least speed? Second, which car has the shortest travel time? Third one, at what time car P, car R will meet at a point after journey begins. Calculate the speed of car P when it crosses the car R. And the 16th, state Newton's second law of motion. Using it mathematical expression, explain the Newton's first law of motion. And the 17th, an image showing the conservation between the status of matter is given below. Based on the image following, mention the names of the process A, B, C, D, E, F in the image. Two example substance undergoes process E. Classify element, compound and mixture: mercury, lemon juice, carbon dioxide, milk, silver, methane, air, sulfuric acid. Now start to the answer. First one is a multiple choice question. What does the odometer of a vehicle measure? Answer the total distance traveled. Which of the following particles highest energy? Answer particle of water vapor at 100 degrees Celsius. What does the area of the shaded region below in the velocity graph represent? Answer displacement. In which of the following situation does the change of state involve absorption of heat energy? Answer option C, P and S only. Why is the pillar designated wider at the bottom? Answer to reduce the pressure on the ground by increasing area of contract. Gas transform from 300 ml to 1000 ml container. What is the new volume? Answer is the 1000 ml. Gas have neither fixed shape nor fixed volume. They fill the entire container. They are Ram velocity time graph situation. Decreasing speed, applied brake on his car and comes to rest. When a carpet is beaten, dust comes out. Why? Due to the inertia of dust on the carpet. Weight of the earth is 60 kg. What is the weight of moon? How to calculate on the answer? Weight on moon 1 by 6 into weight of the earth 60 by 6, that means 10 kg. The solvent of the tincture iodine solution is alcohol. Question number 11. Why do wet cloth dry faster when spread out? Evaporation is a surface phenomena. Spreading out clothes, increasing the area, which increase the rate of evaporation. Lorry A, narrow types versus lorry B, broad tires, which is safe. Lorry B will move safely. Broad tire have larger area of contact, which reduce the pressure exerted on the bridge. P equal to F by A. Question number 13. Bus speed u equal to 0, a equal to 0.2 meter per second square, t equal to 5 minute. Convert to the second is a 300 second. What is the formula? V equal to u plus at and calculate 60 meter per second. Properties of the collide. It is a heterogeneous mixture. The size of the particle is too small to seen with naked eyes. They show Tyndall effect, scattering of light. They are stable. Particle do not settle down. Graph analysis question. PQR cars. Least speed car are lowest slope. Shortest travel time car P. Steepest slope covered distance fastest. Meeting time P or R at 0.5 hours. Speed of the car. What is the answer? 60 km per hour. Essay type question, long answer. 16th A. Newton's second law. The rate of change of momentum of body is directly proportional to the applied unbalanced force F equal to ma. Derive the first law. If force equal to 0, then mass acceleration equal to 0. Mass cannot 0. Acceleration must be 0. This means body stay at the rest or uniform motion, which is the first law. Archimedes principle. This one is the Archimedes principle. And the change the state of the diagram. A is a melting, B is a freezing, C is a evaporation and boiling, condensation, E is a sublimation, and F is a deposition. Example of E: camphor, naphthalene ball, iodine, aluminum chloride. And the internal of the question classification: mercury is the element, lemon juice mixture, carbon dioxide compound, CO2 is a compound, milk is a mixture, is a colloid solution, silver is element, methane is a compound, formula is CH4, air is a mixture of gases, sulfuric acid is a compound. Thanks to watch, like and share and subscribe to the channel for the next time. Thank you so much.